Hey there, in today's short session, let's take a few minutes to step back from the busyness of everyday life and reconnect with something bigger than our own thoughts. Sometimes our minds are so busy trying to solve, plan, and figure things out, and it can feel good to just give that logical part of the brain a little break. Think of this as tuning into a wider perspective, a reminder that we're part of something larger than just ourselves. So go ahead and find a comfortable position where your spine feels tall but relaxed. Take a few deep, relaxing breaths, inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. Allowing yourself to become more centered and quiet, and release every last bit of tension in the body. Bring a little awareness to the top or crown of your head, and begin to notice any sensations this awareness brings on. Feel gravity flowing downward from this point. Relax the scalp, the muscles in your face, and drop your shoulders. Let your lower body anchor down and feel really heavy. And imagine also at the crown of your head a gentle purple and calming violet glow shining above. Picture that light slowly flowing down through your body, softening your muscles, helping you feel grounded. Let it move through your face, softening your face, down your shoulders, down your back, your arms, all the way to your legs and feet, as if the weight you've been carrying all day is melting away. As this light surrounds you, notice how it feels to picture yourself not just as you, but as part of the bigger picture, part of your community, part of nature. Imagine your awareness gently expanding beyond the edges of your body. Feel this expansion and connectedness around you. In this space, you might notice a feeling of connection to others, to the world, to something steady and supportive that's always there for you, even if you forget about it. Stay with that feeling for the next few breaths. As you rest in this oneness, allow yourself to receive any wisdom, guidance, or insights. You may ask for clarity on something in your life, or simply open yourself to receive whatever it is it has to offer. Before we close, take a deep breath in. Take a moment to offer gratitude to this connection. When you're ready, gently open your eyes or bring your attention back to the space around you, bringing with you the sense of unity when you pause and tune in and keep this feeling of calm connection as you move forward in your day. And until next time, have a good one.